Hello all, my name is Pratik and I am going to talk about Frugal Science, the science for all. Science is not just about knowing but also experiencing. Today, with the boon of technological advancement, we have access to information and knowledge which is merely a click away. Science is largely about learning and it majorly comes through experiences. As scientists, innovators, and researchers, we all are privileged to be curious and we should exploit it and share with people. The major part of the global population, which is poor, that is around 40%, has long been excluded from science, technology, and its benefits. So it's important how we can make experience of science more accessible to a lot of people around the world. Frugal science, which came out as a philosophy, is now an innovative research field. Frugal science focuses on the development of scientific tools that are far cheaper and more accessible to the general people. Frugal science is designed to generate technology with cost as an integral part of the subject. Accessibility is a big challenge that science is currently facing. Every time we add an order of magnitude of cost to the product, an order of magnitude of people will not be able to access it. Cost should not be an issue in science. As it is rightly said, if knowledge is a treasure beyond price, then access to it should also be independent of price. In developing world particularly, there are pressing problems whose solution require relevant science and technology. Given the extraordinary situations we are caught up under currently with regards to COVID, there is dire need for cost-centric, that is frugal solutions for domains across all scientific fields. Frugal science can be considered as an intellectual skeleton based on understanding complexity and simplicity, considering the economics and originating in the field of need. If we take example of healthcare, with frugal science and technology, the day is not far when we can have devices for point of care diagnostic applications in our pocket. The devices which are versatile, robust, and cost effective. We can have diagnostic of deadly infectious diseases in the field just sitting under a tree without sophisticated instruments and expertise. With this, we can improve the quality of treatment and also decrease the cost so that broad community of people can benefit. This can lead to transformation in global healthcare and making it accessible and affordable to most remote part of the world. Similarly, this can also be well integrated with other fields. We have plenty problems around us which need to be addressed with simple solutions. We need many frugal scientists for together making this world a better place to dwell.